Welcome to Quick Book Bites. Today, we're diving into Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. This book is a comprehensive guide to achieving financial freedom and mastering the game of money. Tony Robbins, a world-renowned motivational speaker, interviews some of the most successful investors and financial experts to bring you a step-by-step blueprint for securing your financial future. Robbins breaks down the complex world of investing into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. The book is divided into 7 simple steps, starting with making the most important financial decision of your life, becoming an investor. He emphasizes the importance of starting early, even with small amounts, and explains how compound interest can work miracles over time. One of the key highlights is Robbins' focus on understanding fees and expenses. He reveals how hidden costs can eat away at your returns and offers strategies to minimize these expenses. You'll learn about the power of index funds and how they can provide a diversified, low-cost investment option. Tony also tackles the concept of asset allocation. He shows you how to spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize returns. By creating a diversified portfolio, you can protect yourself against market volatility and ensure a more stable financial future. A major takeaway from the book is the importance of having a plan. Robbins introduces the idea of a lifetime income plan, which involves setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. He provides tools and techniques to help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Robbins also shares insights from legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and Jack Bogle. Their wisdom and strategies are distilled into actionable advice that you can implement right away. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your investment approach, there's something in this book for everyone. In Money, Master the Game, Tony Robbins demystifies the world of finance and empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. With practical advice, real-life examples, and expert insights, this book is a must-read for anyone serious about building wealth and achieving financial independence. Thank you for watching Quick Book Bites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial book recommendations. Leave a comment below if you've read this book or if you have other recommendations for us to review. Until next time, happy reading.